How to fix Microsoft Store crashing issue on Windows 10. Here are some tips that may help you with the Microsoft Store crashing issue on your Windows 10 PC. 1. Clear the cache, run wsreset.exe. 2. Set proper date and time. 3. Re-register on Windows Store by running the command as admin, PowerShell, execution policy unrestricted command and $manifest equals, get apps package Microsoft. Windows Store. Install location plus apps manifest.xml. Add apps package, disable development mode, register $manifest 4. Use a different DNS. Address. 5. Log on your system as the admin.